A new era of wealth is here, one powered by Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Those who see what's coming are already preparing. But let's be honest, just holding your Bitcoin isn't enough anymore. Wall Street's in the game now, armed with bots, AI, and billions in capital. They profit from every move while everyday investors get left behind. So what if you had a system of your own to try risk-free? A tool that trades for you, catches the swings, and grows your stack automatically, not in dollars, in Bitcoin. Because real wealth in this game is measured in coins. Welcome to BitPanel, your automated Bitcoin accumulation engine. BitPanel isn't just another crypto bot, it's the only platform with real strategy allocation, bot-level treasury management, and dynamic compounding with live monitoring and full transparency. BitPanel is powered by AI-optimized strategies, multiple bots working together in unison to power your portfolio. Together, they intelligently compound your portfolio over time and adapt as markets change. Don't take our word for it. Test it yourself for free. Bitcoin holders are no longer just passively holding, they are using tools to compound their money quicker, just like Wall Street and hedge funds do. And you should too, otherwise you risk falling behind. Try it out right now, risk-free with simulated funds, no credit card required. Monitor the strategies and track your performance. See for yourself the power of automation. So stop watching your Bitcoin remain idle. Stop letting Wall Street beat you. Start compounding with BitPanel today.